Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get sunflower seed and grow a garden. Getting the sunflower seed and grow a garden is all about timing and participation. This rare seed is primarily found in the flower seed pack, which was originally available during the summer event, but you can still obtain it through the summer harvest activity. To have a chance at this pack, you need to reach around 2,000 harvest points, which aligns with rare or legendary tiers, giving you about 20% chance to receive it. If you haven't reached that point level, the chance is zero, so staying active is key. The summer harvest event runs periodically, usually with a cooldown of about an hour, and lasts roughly 10 minutes, making it ideal to team up with friends to maximize your points. Once you're above the required points, keep an eye out for the flower seed pack, open it, and test your luck. That's essentially how you can get the flower seed, with a roughly 0.5% chance, similar to most rare plants in Grow A Garden and Roblox. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.